This is John with WTI. And this Dove Men+Care soap is just great. So one of the things that I like the most about this soap is that while I'm holding it already, I'm already feeling the exfoliating cream. This soap will leave your hands not greasy, but it will give you the sensation they have moisturizing lotion in your hands or while you're taking a bath or if you're using just to wash your hands like I am doing right now. So mostly or most of the times whenever you would get a soap or a hand soap, it will give you the sensation that your hands are dry. But this guy here, the three in one, the exfoliating, the moisturizing lotion, and the feeling that you're clean is actually pretty good. And the quality for this though so far is really, really good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.